Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. So welcome back to another video about Cardano Alert. In this video, we are going to discuss the latest situation, the latest price changes occur in the Cardano Alert. Is the price increase in the next month or not? My friends, now first of all, the latest situation, the currently live update of the Cardano Alert is absolutely going very good. Personally, at this time I really love Cardano Alert to investment. My friends, the whole changes occur in the Cardano data is positive the last 1 hour. You can see, my friends, everything is on the front of your eyes. The Cardano last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Cardano is positive, my friends. Completely now they're in the pumping mood. Personally, I think that now they're go to the moon, my friends. Cardano is going to the moon. Absolutely, I'm sure about that. Anyways, let me show you 1.3 USD dollar is the currently latest price, and 5 is the market rank of the Cardano in the market. My friends, from the price chart, that's also clear that now Cardano is wrecked, and I hope that they will continue this pump for a very long term. For long term, my friends. For possibilities, my friends, we can't see about the future. Maybe for the upcoming 1 month, maybe for the upcoming 1 week, but a lot of chances for long term, 1 month. Anyways, now my prediction, my tactical analysis, my all the research about Cardano tell us that Cardano is the future digital gold. Now, my friends, it's time, it's opportunity to invest now in a Cardano. If you invest now, so I think in the future they will give you very huge profit. So invest now. Anyways, what is your opinion about Cardano? Please also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.